Hello friends, dear students, good morning. Today we shall begin with sequences of tenses. Sequence of tenses helps us to fill proper verb in the blank area. In many of the examination, especially in class 9th and 10th and 11th and in competition examination, these type of questions are generally asked and students commit many mistakes. So I'll begin with the first sequence of tenses is present simple with present continuous. Present simple S plus V1, present continuous S plus is MR plus V first ing. Suppose I go to school from Monday to Saturday. This is present simple. But I am going today too. It is present continuous. So two tenses are here and they make a sequence. Present simple with present continuous. Secondly, past simple with past continuous. Past simple subject plus V2 and past continuous subject plus was verb plus V first ing. I saw a tiger. V2 is here. I saw a tiger while I was crossing the jungle. Was crossing is past continuous. So here you can see, you can observe that past simple is with past continuous. Third, the sequence of tense is present simple with present perfect continuous. I am tired because I have been working since last night. I am tired. It is present simple. Tired is here adjective. Am present V1, so it is called present simple. I am tired because I have been working since last night. मैं थक गया हूँ क्योंकि मैं पिछली रात से कार्य कर रहा हूँ. So the other sequence you notice here, present simple with present perfect continuous. With present perfect continuous also used in sequence of tenses. Manisha has been writing a letter since morning, but she has not completed it yet. She has not completed it yet. Has plus V3, it is called present perfect. So one thing, Manisha has been writing a letter with a period of time or point of time, and on the second end there is present perfect, but still she has not completed it yet. So the third sequence is there. Another sequence you may find it there with future simple and with present perfect. Future simple with present perfect. It will give you some sort of ambiguous condition. I will go there as I have completed my work. I will go on my work as I have completed my homework. So you may see here future simple and there is another present perfect. Another sequence you may find it, generally it is asked that with past simple and past simple, when there is given a and d and with or after one verb, then you have to put V2 also there. I ate and slept on the spot. मैंने खाया और सो गया उसी जगह पर. तो जब एंड बीच में आ जाए तो तो आपको पहले जो वर्ब की फॉर्म आई उसी वर्ब की फॉर्म दूसरे रूप में आनी चाहिए. एंड जनरली सिमिलरिटी को लेकर आता है. सीक्वेंस ऑफ टेंसेस के अंदर कभी कभी जो कनेक्टिव्स होते हैं वो बहुत बड़ा कार्य करते हैं और उनकी रूपरेखा भी हमारे दिमाग में होनी चाहिए. ये बात हम आपको जब कनेक्टिव्स पढ़ाएंगे तब बात करेंगे. अगले सीक्वेंस ऑफ टेंसेस में मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि पास्ट सिंपल के साथ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. राधा हैड बीन लिविंग इन उदयपुर since 2006, but she vacated her house yesterday. So you may observe here two tenses, past perfect continuous with past simple. Radha had been living in Udaipur since 2006, but she vacated the house yesterday. So yesterday here gives an identification of past simple, and since last night, and V2 also helps you to identify past perfect continuous. If there is given one tense, then you can fill another one, but some of the clues must be there with you. In sequences of tenses, if you do not know how to use or identify adverb in a tense, then you are unable to fill proper tense there. If we learn about all the tenses, then each and every tense is their peculiar, their special adverb by which you can understand which tense should be filled or which tense is tense. It means verb form, and only helping verb has the proper power to identify proper tense. Main verb can identify, but it will give you identification of three tenses. V1 is used in present simple also, V1 is used in past simple also with did, and V1 is also used with will and shall in future simple also. But when you put do and does or did or will or shall, then you can identify that particular tense is present simple, past simple and future simple. Suppose we come to know about continuous tenses. In continuous tenses, V first ing is used as main verb, present participle. But in past simple also V1 first form ing is used in future continuous. In past continuous and in future continuous, it is also used. But when we use is mr plus V first ing, then it is identified that it is present continuous. When you use was and were plus V1 first form ing, then it is used as past continuous. And when you will use will be and shall be plus V1 ing, then it will be counted as future continuous. But the first and main and foremost thing to identify in our mind, that adverb must be clear in our mind to identify proper tense. Otherwise, 100% we will make mistake there and we will get big zero. So, in this area, in this sequence of tenses, sometimes while, after and before are used to make a sentence also. Sometimes in sentences given while dash 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 comma I went to sleep, and here you are given write, then you will fill there while writing I felt sleep. लिखते लिखते मैं सो गया. जब आप किसी चीज को दो बार बोलना चाहते हैं, लिखते लिखते, दौड़ते दौड़ते, खाते खाते, तब आप while प्लस V1 फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing का प्रयोग करेंगे. लेकिन अगर while के बाद सब्जेक्ट आ जाता है तो आप पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का प्रयोग करेंगे, यानी कि was वर्ब प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing. Here I am Speaking two examples, while I was going to Udaipur, I saw many people on the highway. While I, subject is there, then you have to fill was and were plus verb plus noun ing. But while subject is not given here, while dash 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 go to Udaipur, I saw many people, then you have to fill there while going to Udaipur, I saw many people. So when subject is omitted, you have to fill directly V first ing. Similarly, after reaching the mountain, the scout cried loudly, before coming to this city, I was a very simple man. So when there is no subject and after before and while is given there, you have to directly fill V first ing in place of other tenses. Keep in mind, it's very special. Sometimes, it is used having plus V3 is always used. Having seen the dacoits, the police began to run after. Having seen the tiger, I ran away. Having plus V3 is used in this sequence of tenses. These are the some of the questions which generally asked in examination. And when we talk about subject and verb correlation, as subject is singular, verb is also singular. If subject is plural, verb is also plural. Singular verb is identified with S. Is, S, has, does, does, S, has, was, I. We won't talk here because only we have to focus on verb form. Verb form has the main power to play in the sentence. With the help of only verb forms, you can say the tense is properly in this way or that way. So friends, for today it is too much in sequence of tenses. I'll begin with you also tomorrow when I'll talk with conditional sentence and their uses. Thank you once again. I last of all request to you that if you like my video, then you must share and subscribe my video